Okay, welcome to How to Piss Me Off, the tutorial. Now, there are certain things about working with me or just seeing me walking down the street, so on and so forth, that I feel like people don't know, but I wanted to make a little tutorial or an understanding of me on how not to piss me off and how to get along with me. So, it's to make you understand me, essentially. I'm a person with a lot of love for people in my heart, but I'm also an easily annoyed person. If you find me in any place, you will find probably that I have the largest history of charity work in said place. I've done 4 years of full-time charity work with the beginning of my life already, and I've always done like spots and bits and pieces of it. This charity work in the form of anti-drug campaigns, disaster response, and counseling. Yeah, but you can never tell because I am aggressive that I love yous. You can't ever tell. So you need to have this understanding that I don't actually hate you. It's just the natural amount of energy that I have. And the way I emit it in some way, it seems violent. But if you understand that I'm not attacking you and that it's just my natural base energy form, that you'll be all right. You will survive me. If you think I'm attacking you, you'll start fighting me, and I'll say, what the hell? Do you see? 2, walking. Should I be walking somewhere, if you suddenly approach, you open yourself to an attack. I walk around with expensive equipment, usually, right? And even if not expensive equipment, probably something that one could steal. So it makes me security aware. Meaning, should you suddenly and randomly approach me, understand I'm carrying pepper spray, I'm carrying a taser, I'm carrying tear gas. If 10 people try to rob me, I'm not escaping the smoke. I'm coming for you. If you try to rob me, I'm gonna rob you. I'm like that. And I'm that type of person where I'm not giving you my thing willingly. Actually stab me, actually shoot me. Let's go into it because I'm not giving you my thing willingly, yeah? Whatever that is. 1, 2, I'm appalled that you tried. I'm appalled that you tried to rob me. That this is already a miracle, and I'm going to perform a miracle upon you now. Do not suddenly approach me. It looks like I dislike people touching me, dislike proximity to people. No, I'm just security aware, but I do love people. I love being among people, so on and so forth. It's just I don't do it. Just by virtue of a security consideration. And then another thing. What else? Another thing that'll make you understand me or help you to understand me, especially when we're working together, is that as my energy levels, my happiness levels increase, I become more intense. So then somehow when I'm having an ultimate amount of fun, I might not be smiling because the way that my energy refines up, the way that it sharpens up to a point, the way that it gets better is I feel intensity. So then, I might not be smiling, I might not be any of these things, but I'm in a flow state. You need to understand this. Just that you don't misinterpret me as being like angry or upset because, my enjoyment doesn't necessarily, it's not the type of enjoyment that comes with a smile. It's almost like as I am taking photos of you, I feel like I'm engaging in motocross racing. Like there's an intensity to it because, I have lethal intent in the matter. Like somehow you need to understand that I'm really trying to take an award-winning photo of you no matter what. Even if I fuck it up, like somehow you need to understand that it's a very sincere effort to do that. And once you do have this basic understanding, you'll get it. You'll get who you're working with, the type of person that you're working with, and we'll be able to work together well.